Hello everyone, in this video we are looking into a new technology called computer use. So recently OpenAI released their frontier model called GPT-5.4. Now this GPT-5.4 includes a specific kind of training on computer use technology so that this model operates software through user interface. So basically it takes screenshot, understand the screenshot and return a user interface action like click here or click on this button or something like that. And based on those decisions, this GPT 5.4 via computer use operates a software. So let's see a demo very quick. So I have this application for demonstration of this computer use ability of GPT 5.4. I'm saying in the prompt that book a hotel between these dates for this person and this email, and I'm saying that ensure breakfast is included and request a late arrival. Now in order to do this, the base application on which this computer use will operate is running in the background. So we are not basically invading any actual website, but this can be any actual website and this scenario can be run on any actual platform or software. So when I say start run, you will see that this application, the base application on which this Kuva will operate is running locally, and you can see it's taking screenshot and understanding things. So it has now taken a couple of screenshots, and then it will go to this Luma Harbor Hotel by clicking on it. And here are the steps we can see it takes. So when I click jump to the latest one, you can see it's doing their actions. Now you can see it has clicked on this Luma Harbor Hotel, and now it's taking the screenshot and understanding the things. It will fill all this information. You can see it has filled all the information. This is the person name, this is the guest email, check-in date, check-out date, and it also have added the special request as well. And I guess this is the demo. But you can see the power of GPT 5.4 with this computer use ability. I would like to show you a GitHub repository that OpenAI has released so that we can understand how to incorporate this computer use ability into your application. There is a clear blog as well, how to prepare a safe environment, basically the Playwright one and the sandbox for computer use, basically a sandbox computer. And this is how it works. So a Kuva model ingest a screenshot. Based on the screenshot, it outputs action, and application code basically takes the action on the computer environment. Then Kuva again, so basically this action application code basically feed another screenshot to the Kuva model, and this loop goes on and on until you have desired action performed. You can run a Docker image that will be a virtual machine locally running via Docker, and the application will interact with this local virtual machine. And in order to have a local browsing environment for the application, you can use Playwright. So this application basically uses Playwright and a sandbox to operate, and this is what you get. This is going to be a game changer because this GPT 4.5 has inbuilt computer use ability because it is being trained on the specific scenario as well. I think we are moving towards AGI, artificial general intelligence, where people are saying that AI model will be so much intelligent that it will do everything human can do. And I'm sure in upcoming days we will be seeing application that uses this computer use technology on top of GPT 4.5, and obviously other companies, other labs will be releasing their own solution of this kind of computer use technology as well. I guess this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge about this computer use ability of GPT 4.5. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.